everyone, I thought I'd do something a little bit different today and try out doing like a voiceover makeup, like just quickly do my makeup and talk through what I'm doing instead of like stopping every 5 seconds to tell you what I'm doing. So this is a look I created today. It's very orange. Just thought I'd try something different. If you're new to my channel, why don't you consider subscribing? I love speaking to you guys in the comments down below, so don't forget to leave me a little comment as well. Alright, here we go. This is how I created this look. So to prime my eyes, I'm using the MAC Paint Pot in Painterly. I'm putting that all over my lid and right up to where my brows are, although I don't show that here. But I do cover my eyelid, absolutely. Okay, the Jaclyn Hill palette. I am using this yellow orange colour and I'm just using that as my transition. I was pretty shocked at how pigmented that was, as you can see. So I'm just sweeping that and fluffing out the edges as high as I possibly can, right nearly up to that brow bone. Here's the Tartelette Toasted palette. I'm using a peachy orange colour now, just to try and get a little bit more of an orange tone into that yellow Jaclyn Hill colour. I'm using a very light orange colour now. Basically what I'm doing is I'm building up the intensity of orange colours that I have and working them in closer to my lash line. So here I'm in the crease, and by the time I finish I'll be right on that lash line. Again, fluffing out those edges with that peachy orange colour. This is the Morphe 39A palette. Now this is a orange colour. It's coming right onto that brow bone in my crease and just working that in back and forth, little fluffy movements. Fluffing out the edges again with that really fluffy natural hair brush. Oh, Modern Renaissance. Oh my god. If you don't have this palette, why not? It's so good. This is a really soft, deep, burnt orange colour now that I'm working in. Oh, back over to Jaclyn, and I've got this burnt cranberry brown colour. It's not that pigmented actually. I was a little bit disappointed, but I'm just packing that in to that outer third of my eyelid and fluffing that in over my eyelid. This is how we're going to get this effect. It's time to do a cut crease. Here is some concealer. A flat rounded concealer brush. I'm dragging that down from my crease to my lash line, and I'm kind of erasing everything that I've done on my lid. I'm speeding it up here because it took quite a long time to do, but I'm just following the shape of my natural eyelid shape and rounding it out a little. As you can see, I've only done 2/3 of my eyelid. I've not gone to the edges. Taking that yellow colour again from the Jaclyn Hill palette and packing that into the inner corner of my eyelid. 39A palette by Morphe. I'm taking a fairly pale orange colour and I'm packing that into the middle of my eyelid. Jaclyn Hill again. Oh, it's that horrible cranberry colour. Packing that into the outer third of my eyelid. Now this is just going to create a little bit of depth and shadowing on my eyelid, make them look a lot bigger than they actually are. What's next? Come on, get on with it, girl. Just packing away, packing it on. I'm blending it in slightly into that orange colour on the middle of my eyelid. Ooh, this is a bright orange. This is going on my lower lash line. Smoking that out and creating some depth and dimension, I guess. Sweeping it over. Ooh, liquid eyeliner time. This is the black liquid matte eyeliner from NYX, sorry. This is NYX again. This is a glitter glue. Now I'm just lightly tapping that onto the inner third of my eyelid and some gold glitter. Packing that on with my ring finger. I've got a black kohl pencil, smoking out that waterline and rubbing it slightly onto my lash line. A little bit of magic now, some lash. Oh, look at that! As if by magic. And I've finished the look. I've done it. What do you think? I'm going to show you some close-up shots so you can really scrutinise my work, but I'm quite pleased with it, as you can tell. Alright, here's some close-ups. think? It's so orange. Like, it looks really muted on the camera, but oh my god, it is so orange. And you know what? I think I love it. I'm really glad I popped a little bit of glitter on there. I just think it brings it to life. It makes it look really special, and yeah, I'm really chuffed with it. I'd love to hear your opinions down below in the comments. And also don't forget to hit the little subscribe button and the bell notification so you get a notification every time I upload. And that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!